Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have Vscode open, so create index, HTML and styles, CSS in the same folder now. Save both files, this prevents path errors. Inside index, HTML, place the link tag inside the head, link rel equals stylisheet href equals styles. CSS, that connects the two files. Once done, use Explorer to confirm both files sit side by side. Make sure file names match exactly, including case. Because file systems are picky, small typos break the connection. Now confirm the href matches the file location. If styles, CSS is inside a folder named CSS, change href to CSS/styles. CSS. Install and use live server to serve files. This avoids caching weirdness and gives instant reloads. Open the browser and inspect an element with DevTools to see if your rule appears. If you see crossed out styles, specificity or order might be the issue. You can also clear cache or hard reload to ensure the latest CSS loads. Finish by verifying 3 common mistakes: typos in file names, a missing rel attribute, or an incorrect extension like SCSS. If you use a server, make sure it serves CSS as text/CSS, otherwise the browser skips it. When things still fail, disable conflicting extensions in Vscode or open the HTML file directly in a browser to isolate the problem. Finally, recheck DevTools for 404 errors or path mismatches. Fix the path, and your styles will apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.